This video demonstrates how to create a certificate in Brightspace. Certificates can be automatically issued based on release condition criteria or manually awarded to learners to recognize their efforts. In the Awards tool, select the Course Awards tab, click Add Award to Course, and then click Create. On the new award page, enter a name, description, and criteria for your certificate. From the award type drop-down list, select Certificate. In the Availability field, select the appropriate checkboxes to indicate how you want the award to be available to other award managers. In the Expiry field, choose the dates when you want the award to be available to learners. In the Choose Award Image section, select an existing icon or upload a new one. You can also launch the Open Badges website to create your own award image. In the Choose Certificate Template area, select an existing template or upload a new template. After entering your issuer information, select the Use this award in current course now checkbox to make your certificate available in your course. Click Save and Close. The award is added to your course awards list.